All right, hon. He's inside. You want me to go get him so you can show him stuff?
Just show him what we got.
Okay.
Again, it's not any value, but you would want to know if it's in your backyard.
I guess that sensor light keeps going on and off.
Do you want me to just tell him? Ask him to come out or something?
Yeah, just.
I don't want to go in.
Just tell him we found a bunch of stuff.
Yoo-hoo! Hey, we found a bunch of stuff out there. I don't know if you want to look at it or not.
What'd you find?
Why don't you get a beer for me?
Oh. Jeff, you want a beer?
Yeah, thanks. Of course. Why would he ask? It's a gimme, Lar.
What'd you find? Here.
Thanks.
Hubcap.
Well, the hubcap you knew about, right?
I was going to say,
Let me go out in my little display area here.
you found all kinds of stuff.
Hi, Joe. How are you?
Hi, Terry. How are you?
Look at all these nails and screws.
Hello, Tom.
Hey.
Wow.
Now here's a weird thing
Praise
too.
Joe.
This is the one where we don't know what it is, but it's got 4 holes in it, and it's almost like that stuff can peel off. But
Oh no, I bet maybe it was like
Is
target
that an
practice
old
thing.
saw blade?
I have no idea. It's a
Yeah,
possibility.
because see, it has.
Yeah, it may be.
Yeah.
Larry, that's
a good
pretty cool.
way to
Dude, when you flip it over the
go.
other way, it looks more like it.
Would you throw it out there like it was one of your stars, your Asian stars? You used
I
to
was
throw
back in
everything
the
in.
woods,
Dad!
going to the trees.
And then looks like a brake line group here, or vacuum advance for a car, because you can see the tube opening on that
What are
end.
these things for?
I have no idea. I'm just making shit up because I don't know what it could be, but that's what I'm guessing it is.
Well, you found a lot of stuff.
Yeah. And here's the weird ones. Look at this.
Weird.
It's a pool ball. A cue ball?
Yeah, that was just visible on the dirt that he pushed.
Pretty heavy.
Oh, it's not a cue ball.
What is it?
Oh, you know what? Maybe for like bocce ball, you have that one ball you throw out there first.
I don't know, but that thing's heavy and old. And what's the old thing that they were made with tusks or something?
What's in my light? You?
Ivory.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to turn? I got my light on. That gives a little bit.
It's really yellow.
Right. Here's another piece of
That's weird.
something weird. Look. That's almost like cast iron or
There
something.
was
Weather vane?
Was there anything like maybe on top of was there a barn back here or anything?
Oh, well, I'm going to show you some stuff that I found out from the municipal building when I went there.
Okay.
But you know what's weird about this is like west and east. Did you find the north and south?
No, that's all.
There should be a north and south, right?
Well, you should be, but
That's what it looks like. It looks like one of those weather vanes.
yeah.
But did you know in the Bible it says that God forgives your sins as far as the east is from the west? You know why he doesn't say north and south?
Because that's hell and heaven.
No, because if you were on the earth and you went north, eventually you're going south. If you're going south, eventually you're going north. If you go east, you're always going east. If you go west, you're always going west. So
Oh,
they
okay.
never go the other way.
I know. That's.
Yeah.
Look at you.
And here's the other
Just
oddity.
throwing a little
Block and
Shut
tackle.
up.
No way.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, has that got a date on it?
Does it?
Didn't get that far. It was pretty darn dark.
It's got something on there. I can't read it. My eyes are too bad.
Tom,
Take a look.
you have to hold her
Definitely
away about
says
another
something.
5
Well,
feet
it
for me
has
to
a
read
star.
it. So wait, you guys went out there without
Just poking around with this thing. It's not
Did you
even
guys
Yeah.
went out there unannounced? Like, I mean, I feel like that's a kind of a.
No,
No, I texted Larry
Texted
and
me.
I
I told her, I said,
asked
yeah,
him.
sure, go ahead.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to.
You know, unlike,
I.
yeah, did I tell you? Him and Kevin all of a sudden out there digging back there randomly and didn't even ask
We
me.
already went over this.
I know
and
that, but I
already
didn't tell
apologized.
them.
Oh,
Would
so
you
you were just checking to make sure we did right?
Well, he wasn't mad at you at all.
Uh-huh.
But it makes sense. No, you guys are. I don't know. There's something.
No, he
dude,
told me that he wanted to get the hubcap that was over here, and then did I mind if he was checking
just
over
poked
that?
around.
It
Yeah.
makes sense. I was telling Larry, I was like, there was something. We left here the other day, and something just compelled me to come back. It was the weirdest feeling I've ever had in my entire life. I just had to come back and look for something. Like I was going to find something. Like,
And
it's like,
I asked for the hubcap.
do you ever get like that?
Yeah.
You ever get that? Like, oh, like, you know, maybe we should play a lottery today. You had that feeling. Maybe you should do it. Maybe something's going to pay off. That's kind of how I felt. That's almost that. Anyway,
But did you feel like maybe you should have asked?
yeah, no, I
Yeah.
feel horrible about it.
Yeah,
Now.
right? Yeah, I see a,
that'd be
I
the
see
first
a
thing
light
you
back in my
did.
woods, and I got to go back in my woods to see what's going on back there.
I'll
Right?
tell you what, I've been hearing some creep. I heard 2 times like metal sounds back there.
Really?
like a
Yeah.
clank or something. Like,
And that, well,
'Cause
no,
you
and
said-
then
I know you
also
said it, but I didn't hear it.
heard rustling too, but he said it was probably birds.
That's
Yeah,
weird
birds
because
or
I told
something.
Joe that I get weird vibes when I'm going back there and stuff. It's like, and I feel like I want to find something. I want to find something.
Well, the thing is, it's creepy, and it's like I don't know if it's creepy because we found all this stuff.
Well, what was it? A landfill before?
I don't know.
I think that's what she said.
That's what I said.
I gotta show you
That's
these
what she
pictures.
said.
That's
It's
what
gonna
Well,
be.
you know what? Wait a minute. I'm giving you back the watch,
Yeah, good
the
point.
pocket watch. This
give it
might
back
be
to me for it.
this might be worth money, and I don't feel right
And, yeah,
having
we
it.
can't
But I don't
rightfully-
want it.
No, but we rightfully can't take it. If it's
I-
worth money, it's yours. It's
Yeah.
your property. It's you.
I looked it up, Lar, and there's a possibility that is worth some money.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
so
if you don't want it,
I'd
you don't want it.
rather-
I'll take it. I mean, I can get it appraised.
No, that's all right.
I get
But
it.
we don't.
Yeah.
It isn't
I get it.
ours, so we don't definitely want it. You-
Okay.
I
But
get it.
I doubt it's worth anything. Pocket watches are all
You know
over
what
the
I would
place.
check though? I would check that.
I don't know how you check that.
I don't either, but
there's
that's-
no numbers
that's the
on there
weirdest-
or anything like
Right,
that.
but you know, but you feel it's too late to be like a cue ball from like a
Right, it's
pool-
heavy.
Right,
It's
yeah,
got-
right, but it's too
it's
late
too
to
late
be
to be
like
a-
a cue.
No, I agree with you.
Terry, I got
And too small.
I gotta show you this stuff. Like, this is gonna blow you away. I'm telling you.
Okay.
You know what? Leave this in here. All right, let's go. Tom, do you remember how to work this thing?
Nope.
Yeah.
Man,
I don't really
alive.
remember that
Now we
much
don't even
No,
know.
well, maybe you shouldn't work it. I mean,
Can you believe you talked us into this?
I can't.
Well, actually, I was.
following you.
I know. Well, actually, I was for it. Anyway, I think it's interesting just to see. Oh, that
Right,
light's
sorry.
right there.
You think it's interesting
With
until
the
a spirit
revelation-
takes a hold of you.
Well, hun, with all the stuff that he just told
Man, it's
us
getting to
about
be
the
wintertime,
owners
isn't it?
and
No,
I know, I
I understand that.
everything.
all night.
But
that's 2
Why
points.
would we
together.
still-
stay here and talk about a little
Why
So-
did we just get involved
This
in
is
it? Why
comforting.
can't they just let them go? And if all hell breaks loose and there's a
I mean, I feel like
spirit,
No,
every time I'm back here, I get weird vibes.
it's just like
I
Ouija
get
boards.
real
You don't
vibes
mess with
all
Ouija
over.
I
boards.
kind
get
of
really
like
weird
this
vibes
stuff.
right now from you. I'm getting scaredy cat vibes.
I mean, I like
I'm
getting
scared.
scared.
No, I know that. But then tonight,
But they're
when we
not-
go
might not-
home, we're laying there in bed, and it's 3 in the morning, and you're going to be saying, oh, I shouldn't have been out there because I'm still scared. Oh, my heart doesn't stop beating. Right?
No.
And then
You're
John
exaggerating.
John is probably going to be so upset, worried about his mom, flicking his head back and forth. Well, this ground should be pretty level from Ridgway's landscaping,
It looks great, Jeff.
Tom, I'm gonna need some light. I can't see.
except for this 4x4 that's sitting here sticking out of the ground.
I mean, 4x4, I feel is the wrong
Oh, no, it's
terminology.
only a partial.
Hey, there, look, what's this?
Big root.
This is attached.
My name is Root.
I'll stand over here.
Jeff.
Get
All right, so there's a sweep rate.
I gotta stay away from that.
Up, right, Tom?
I'm trying to remember. I don't remember how to operate this thing.
Got plugs on this
I
side.
feel really nervous about this, dude.
What's temperature and light?
Well, the light's right
Oh,
here.
it
There's
gives
a
you
light right
temperature.
there. You don't need that.
Where's the volume at?
Temperature.
Joe, what are you doing?
I'm a nervous eater, man.
Hey, you got any extra ones?
Yeah, you want one? Jeff with Sue's fish?
No, I got too many crowns.
I'll take one.
You want one?
I have crowns too, but it
you.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, but what if you pop one out?
Well, you just suck on it. You don't bite it.
No,
Chew
because you're
it.
messing with the demon world. That's something else is going to happen. Cost me $500 to put a freaking crown back on.
I wish mine only cost
Could you hold this
$500.
for
I don't
a
even hear
minute?
anything.
Yeah.
Do you?
I haven't had a Swedish fish in a long time.
They're good because they're all separately packaged.
Tom, I don't know what to do with this thing.
I don't know, I can't really look at it either. I gotta,
They're
Separately packaged.
Oh, separately.
I speak fast.
Is there a volume control?
for one, we don't have it doing any sweeping yet.
Is it good?
How do you
To
do
your
sweeping?
teeth.
That's what I
remember,
mean.
I can't
I don't
see the
want to rip a
buttons from
crown
here.
off.
I'll take it.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Channel don't work.
Well, you can only have one channel on at a time.
Oh.
What was that beeping for?
Morse code.
What is that for?
I don't know.
Steel plate in my head.
What's going on, man?
It's like the temperature thing.
Yeah, because it is chilly out
So
here.
there's.
Do airplanes mess up with it at all?
It shouldn't.
Like frequency? No?
Plane crashes, dude. It's your fault.
Yep. Oceanic.
there's
Yeah,
that
maybe
one.
he's the one that caused loss.
I can't get it like.
What that green light just came on.
This other one doesn't work, Tom. This one over here.
And we were worried about this.
Well, yeah, now I feel stupid.
Yeah, I feel better now, actually.
Yeah, me too. I do too.
Do you need more light?
What did you just do?
What's this?
Function. Oh, what's that say? AM, FM.
Have you ever used it before, Larry?
Yeah, a long time ago, but I don't know how. It's supposed to be able to do.
Does it say like frequencies on it or anything?
Oh.
Is the volume all the way up on it?
Oh.
Does it like search?
Yeah, that's what I thought it was supposed to like.
It could be a sign that we don't need to do any of this, guys. Maybe we just call it a day.
About sweep rate, rev.
Don't hit sweep rate. That sounds
Yeah,
like the
sweep
worst
rate.
thing you
I
could
don't
do
know, That's
possible.
kind of weird. Yeah, shouldn't it be like going through its motions, like going through every channel and stuff? Like,
Yeah, it's supposed to. That's what it's supposed to do, but I don't hear anything on this thing. Maybe it's just where it's at.
Well, no, it's not doing the thing that it's supposed to be doing to actually pick up anything.
Well, how do you do that, Tom?
I don't know. I can't see the buttons.
I heard something.
Oh, I'm out of here. Get out. Get out. You said you heard something.
No, I can't. Listen. I can't make out what it is.
I don't know. I just hear like staticky stuff.
What did you hear?
Oh, I did hear that.
What?
What? What?
Is there somebody here?
Oh, I heard that.
See, remember when we used it before? It would like flip it, like here would
Yeah,
go
but I
like.
don't know how to do that, Tom.
Well, here, you take the camera. I'll mess around with it.
Oh, that's singing.
Oh my God.
Okay, that's a little weird.
What is that?
I don't know. It's a tone.
He's picking something up.
Oh.
Like it could be a.
There you go.
Who's that?
Should it be on AM, FM?
It is on AM.
That's what I mean, should it? There you go.
What are the things on the side do?
It says mute and channel 2 and something. I think they're for headphones.
Hit mute.
Because I remember my sister when she had hers running.
Don't you have to
I remember
ask
it was making that
questions, though?
pulsing sound.
Yeah, like that.
Don't you have to ask questions?
I don't think that's a great idea.
I think we got to hear something before we can ask
Yeah.
questions.
I think we had the sweep rate too high.
I have it too high.
I think so.
That's only one. I think it has to be on this one though, because that's the AM FM, right?
Fine.
Can
I don't
you
feel so
see?
bad.
Can you see?
I know. I need a belt now.
I don't hear anything on this.
I need to
hold
see
the
one of
camera.
my
Where
guys.
you
saw a
here?
person. This is stump.
Oh.
It scared me really bad.
Yeah.
So
How's that light, Joe?
I feel.
I can't see.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Tom's angry, isn't he?
Tom D.
That's much better.
Maybe this is a sign we shouldn't be doing this. How about that? Maybe this is a sign that we should not be doing this.
I don't see how it's a sign, Joe. I mean, we don't even hear anything. What are you scared of?
Probably the neighbors are sitting
We're
on the
out in
front
the middle
porch
of the woods
watching.
at dark at nighttime. I mean, what?
But it's their woods, which is good. You know, when you're sitting in other people's woods, that's a problem. But
It's
when
good if you're worried about trespassing, but not
Yeah.
good when you're talking about ghosts.
I don't know. Dude, as long as I don't hear anything, I'll just say, hey, it was a good night.
Uh-oh.
There you go. You had to hold down the forward button.
Huh? This is paranormal, Tom.
I don't know what you're saying. You gotta hold down forward.
Yeah, you hear that clicking now.
Oh. Okay, this is how it's supposed to work.
Right here.
I think.
Thanks, Tom.
Thank you, Tom.
Anybody out there? Oh, what's up with that?
Come on, dude. Come on, bro. That's not even cool, man.
Is there a what was his name? William? Is there a William in here?
Grover or Grove?
It's Groves.
Groves.
William Groves. Is there a William Groves?
Dad just said yes.
Shut up, man. Turn it off. Turn it off.
What do you want? I mean, is there treasure buried back here? Is there something that you're trying to hide back in here? I don't think.
Ask me if we buried anything back here.
Is there anything else buried back here? Are you friendly?
Something said you signed.
Is there a message that you're trying to send to us, or?
I heard some again. Oh my God! That sounded like a woman's voice.
Is there some? Are you William's mother? Is this Helen?
Is the hair on your neck standing up?
Yeah, 100%.
Is there anything that you're trying to tell us? Or is there anything that we need to know? I mean, we're just trying to help you.
Maybe that's something about like the property.
Did you used to own this property?
Tell me you heard that, right? Am I not the only one?
I heard it, but
I heard a noise, but I don't know what it said.
Yeah.
I thought I heard a yes.
All right, let's go.
Is that music again?
Yeah, but his voice is in there too.
Somebody think of a question or something.
Are you angry?
Now, why would you ask if they're angry?
Because I want to know. I'm nervous,
It's angry,
Terry.
like if it was evil, it's going to say yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Is there something hidden on this property that we shouldn't be looking for?
Or do you mind us looking for stuff on this property? I might as well be friendly. Ooh, there was something there. The things buried here, are they yours?
Are the things
It's
here?
something.
Is this William's or Helen's stuff that's buried here?
She say it's me?
Yeah,
So it's Helen's. That was a woman's voice,
that
right?
was a woman's voice. Yeah.
I feel like we've done enough.
Yeah. I don't.
It said buried. It just said buried.
What is buried here? Are there secrets buried here?
Should we keep digging or leave it alone?
I feel like we've heard plenty.
Yeah, I don't have a very good feeling about this.
Did you hear that?
I'm gonna pee myself.
How do you turn this thing off?
Turn it off.
How about in the front? How about in the front?
Turn it off. I told you it's a bad
Did you
idea.
hear that?
I told you guys we shouldn't be doing this, and nobody listens to me.
Joe, you're still alive, buddy. Just letting you know.
Yeah.
Because you were the last one coming through.
Yeah, Larry, I thought you were going to be the last one. Thanks for leaving me
All
in
right,
the
come on,
dark.
let's go.
Sorry. You had enough?
My heart is beating, Mom.
At that point, it's just like you gotta get out of there.